Steam cleaners have become essential tools for car detailing because they combine high-temperature, chemical-free cleaning with versatile attachments that tackle grease, grime, and upholstery without harsh solvents. They're particularly valued for interior sanitization, fabric refreshment, and stubborn grout or crevice cleaning in hard-to-reach places.
Product number 1. Wagner SprayTech C900054-905E Auto-Rite Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. The Wagner 905E Auto-Rite is a dedicated multi-purpose steam cleaner designed to handle car interiors as well as household cleaning tasks. It features a 40-ounce tank, a maximum temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and a 12 accessory kit that includes brushes, nozzles, squeegee, and a nylon brush set. The presence of a steam-ready indicator helps users avoid run-dry conditions, and the unit's 9-minute heat time aligns with brisk detailing sessions. The design emphasizes portability with a built-in carrying handle and a compact form factor suitable for car trunks or cleaning closets. Price point at $111.99 sits squarely in the mid-range, offering a robust feature set without reaching premium pricing. In use, the C900054 delivers consistent steam with straightforward operation. Its 212 degrees Fahrenheit steam helps loosen grime on dashboards, leather, and fabric, while the included squeegee and window attachments assist with glass and interior panels. The 40-ounce reservoir provides a practical runtime for moderate sessions, though extended detailing on larger vehicles may require refills. The build feels solid for its price, and the included 13-piece package, noted as 12 accessories in some listings, gives a broad toolkit that reduces the need for add-ons. Users should monitor water level to maintain optimal steam reliability, and the device's weight near 9.75 pounds makes it less nimble for ceiling-reaching tasks.
Product number 2. MechMic Steam Cleaner for Home. MechMic positions itself as a high-powered handheld option with a large 1.6-liter tank, 250 degrees Fahrenheit steam, and 45 psi pressure, designed for both home and car detailing. The device heats up in 15 seconds and delivers up to 60 minutes of steam at low settings, with 6 adjustable levels and a comprehensive 18-piece accessory set. The 2500W motor promises strong performance for grease, grout, and fabric cleaning, while the included gloves and long reach hose enhance user safety and reach. This model sits at $67.99, offering a compelling price-to-performance ratio for budget-conscious detail enthusiasts. Real-world use reveals MechMic's strength in tackling stubborn kitchen and automotive grime due to its high-temperature pressurized steam. The 6-level control lets you tailor output for fabrics versus hard surfaces, reducing the risk of fabric damage while maintaining cleaning efficiency. The long hose and 16-foot reach make it practical for vehicle interiors and under-seat areas. The safety features, low water alert, and clog clearance minimize downtime and protect the unit. The caveats include the potential for shorter battery life in continuous heavy use and the need to manage water refill logistics given the large tank.
Product number 3. Cowtop Steam Cleaner for Home. Cowtop offers a compact handheld steam cleaner with a 1.69 quart tank, 221 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, and a 50 psi steam output. It emphasizes ultra-quick heat-up, 15 seconds, and a bright 2-meter hose plus 2-meter power cord totaling 158 inches of reach. The 16-piece detailing kit includes a brass brush and floor and extension attachments, making it a versatile option for car detailing and home cleaning. At $54.99, it's positioned as a budget-friendly option with surprisingly robust specifications for the price. In practice, Cowtop's combination of high heat and pressure enables effective grease and grout cleaning on car interiors and tiled surfaces. The 3-level handle adjustment enables better ergonomics during longer sessions, while the transparent tank allows easy monitoring of water levels. The trade-offs include a relatively modest weight of about 5 pounds and a DC-powered supply, 12V, in some listings, which may imply certain use case restrictions or mislabeling in some markets. Nevertheless, the product's 4.4 out of 5 rating and broad accessory suite contribute to strong overall value. Product number 4, Steam Cleaner. WSRYYCC's Lest C2 is a budget-friendly handheld option offering 221 degrees Fahrenheit steam at 3 bar pressure with 1500 watt heating and a 1.25-liter water tank. It includes 16 accessories and a 6-level adjustable steam control. The device emphasizes chemical-free cleaning and broad applicability across floors, upholstery, car interiors, and kitchens. At $59.48, it sits as a close competitor to Cowtop in the lower price band with a similar feature set and a slightly higher footprint in the accessory assortment. Performance-wise, the 6-level control lets you fine-tune steam intensity for delicate fabrics or stubborn grout, while the 15-second heat-up aids quick touch-ups. The 4.92-foot power cord and 6.6-foot steam hose provide reasonable flexibility for car detailing tasks, like cabin crevice cleaning or vent dusting. The main caveat is that build quality and long-term reliability may not match higher-end brands, and some users report variability in consistent steam delivery across levels. Product number 5, McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. McCulloch's MC1385 is the premium canister steam cleaner in this lineup, featuring a 64-ounce tank, up to 120 minutes of steam, and a maximum temperature around 200 degrees Fahrenheit with 58 psi or 4-bar pressure. It ships with 23 accessories, including a mop head and broad surface attachments, and boasts an 18-foot power cord plus a 7-foot steam hose for extended reach. The model is designed for home use, but excels at car detailing applications such as upholstery, carpets, dashboards, and hard-to-reach crevices. The price of $207 places it firmly in the premium segment, offering long runtime and a high-capacity setup. In practice, the MC1385 delivers sustained, reliable steam thanks to its large tank and continuous heat-up performance. The continuous steam option and adjustable control enable longer detailing sessions without frequent pauses for refilling. The broad accessory lineup, including nylon and brass brushes, floor mops, and squeegees, makes it a versatile investment for car detailing and household tasks alike. Its heavier weight and sizable footprint may require a dedicated storage space, but for frequent detailers who want maximum versatility and minimal chemical use, it stands out as the most capable option in the group.